Good morning, applicant. How are you?
I'm good, thank you, ma'am.
Can you tell me something about yourself?
I'm Mary Ann Fernandez. I'm married with, I said, one child. I am college graduate for information technology. I'm youngest of the family.
Do you have a work experience as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. For 2 years and 4 months here in the Philippines.
Do you have why do you intend to work abroad?
Uh, because good opportunity and high salary.
How was your experience in your previous employer?
It's a good experience and they treat me their own family.
As domestic helper, what are your main duties and responsibilities?
I'm cleaning their house, washing their clothes, ironing their clothes, and cooking their food the whole day.
What are the appliances that you can operate?
Washing machine, oven, and
How can you take good care of young children or baby?
I feed them, I bath them, and play with them.
Will you pinch or hit them if they are naughty?
No, ma'am.
Can you tell me possible reasons why the baby cries?
Maybe the child is the diaper is wet, or maybe she's hungry or sick.
If your employer's child or baby is not feeling well, what will you do?
I'll check the temperature first and then I'll call the employer.
How can you manage the household chores and the baby?
I put the baby to sleep and her safe, and then I'll do the household chore.
How can you handle homesickness?
I overcome the homesickness for making me busy for the work and given tasks.
What is your final message to your prospective employer?
Ma'am, sir, please hire me as a housemaid. I need this badly work for my family and good experience for me. And thank you.